Hey everyone, welcome to the Willa channel. Today I'll show you how to install WorldEdit for Minecraft. First, Google Forge for Minecraft. Install Forge, choose version 1, 21.4 if available. Click Install, open the file, select Install Client, and click OK. Next, install WorldEdit. Click Download, pick the version, and wait for the file to download. Then open the Minecraft launcher, select Forge 1.2 1.4, click Run, and type %%. Click OK, then Minecraft, then Mods. Drag the WorldEdit file there. Finally, launch Minecraft.